Looking for the perfect personalised registration plate? With Regtransfers, it's simple, fast and fun. Let me show you how. In this video, we'll be looking for plates that are suitable for our customer Jenny. This is the Regtransfers private number plate search. As well as here on the homepage, you can find our search near the top of many other pages of the regtransfers.co.uk website. Our industry-leading search box allows you to search for any name, word or set of initials and returns your results instantly. Character combinations that spell out names are amongst the most popular private number plates. If you want to really personalise your car, then a name registration is the way to go. They look fantastic and have great resale value in the unlikely event that you decide to sell your personal plate later on. That's why we specialise in name registrations. Let's start by typing Jenny's whole name, Jenny Danby, into our search. Immediately we see J3NNY. That's a perfect result. There are also some great matches for just her surname, such as D4NBY and DAN13Y. A lot of people like to add the letters Z or S to the end of a name. When added to a given name, it gives a sense of ownership. JE11NYZ for Jenny's. And added to a surname, it conveys a sense that a couple or a family use the car. DA11BYS for Jenny's family, the Danbys. J311NYD is a great way to represent Jenny's given name and her last initial, Jenny D. Don't ignore registrations that have an extra letter or digit. They often still do a great job of representing the name, and they can be far more affordable than perfect spellings. D44NBY and JE11NYY are great examples of this. Our search tool is intelligent enough to suggest ideas and variations that might be suitable. There are some great JD plates here for Jenny's initials. There's even a birth year plate that matches the year Jenny was born. Here's a handy tip. If a registration starts or ends with a number, it is known as a dateless plate because it's in a format that doesn't contain a year code. Dateless plates can go on any age of vehicle, unlike plates with a year letter or a year number code, which may not be used to make a car appear newer than it really is. Nicknames are another very popular choice. Jenny's family and friends usually call her Jen, so we can look for JEN plates too. The page number links mean that there are more pages of results to look at. As we scroll down the page, we see some good prefix plates. Jenny's birthday is on the 26th of February, so F26JEN would be a great choice. Still very personal, but not quite as conspicuous as a plate that spells her full name. We said earlier in the video that registrations beginning or ending with a number are dateless. Well, F26JEN begins and ends with letters, so it isn't dateless. A number plate that starts or ends with a letter is a dated registration. These can only be assigned to vehicles of that year or newer. You can't make a vehicle appear newer than it really is. But don't worry, on the product page for each registration on our website, we clearly show what age a vehicle can display that number. For people who are not ready to transfer a personal registration to their car, we can provide the registration on a certificate that enables you to keep the registration stored until you're ready to assign it to a vehicle. This option is often used by collectors and investors who may buy more registrations than the number of cars they own. It's also used by people who want to buy a registration that is too new to use on their current car, as they can then hold the registration until they get a newer car, and by people who want to snap up their registration but don't yet have a car to display it on. We hope this video has given you a few pointers on how to get the most from our number plate search. Try it for yourself and see what you can find.